These furnaces are manufactured in the USA by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls and can be purchased online at Hamilton Home Products or at the Home Depot. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The guarantee on the units is pretty good and includes a total furnace replacement guarantee if the heat exchanger fails within 10 years of installation. The units use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. The TM9E models are basic multi-position furnaces with a 95% efficiency and a constant torque blower motor, while the TM9VC models are premium two-stage furnaces with a 96% efficiency and a variable speed blower motor for more quiet and efficient operation. They are multi-position furnaces which allow the dealers to have less inventory and therefore lower costs. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.